Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you are interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to show you how to replace a drum and reset the drum counter on a Brother HL-5370 printer. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open the front door. You're going to push down the little button there and the door just comes open. You're going to remove the toner and drum that come out together. So once you get the toner and the drum out, you need to separate the toner from the drum. So you're going to push down and there's a little blue tab on the side of the drum. Push down on that blue tab and the toner will just lift and rotate right out of there. We'll set the old drum off to the side. We have our new Onyx brand drum. And inside every Onyx brand drum there is written instructions on how to replace the drum. Okay, so now that we have our new drum, we're going to install our toner back inside the drum. You'll want to make sure you feel it and hear it click into place. Once you got the toner installed in the drum, there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to slide that tab the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure you end it on the same spot that it started with. You want these 2 little arrows to be pointing at each other. Once you do that, reinstall the toner and drum back inside the printer, making sure that it's firmly in place. Now we're going to leave the door open. You're going to press and hold the go button for about 4 seconds or so till all 5 LEDs on the side of the printer light up. Once all 5 lights light up, you'll let go of the go button, close the front door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.